Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 3. For example, if we're going to have 13 squared. So in here, what we're going to do is we're going to have their last digit as 9 because any number ending in 3 being squared is its last digit is 9. The next is you're going to look at the first digit of the number. So first digit is 1. So this is 1 here, so you're going to have here 1. Then just add 0. So you're going to have 1 times 10. Then you're going to add 1, the first digit, times 6. So the constant here is 6. It is always 6. So you're going to have again 1, then 1 here, plus 0. 1 is the first digit, then plus 0, so 1 times 10, plus 1 times 6. So if we're going to have this one, 1 times 10 is 10, then 1 times 6 is 6. You're going to add that one. 10 plus 6 is 16. So your answer for 13 squared is 169. So you can square two-digit numbers ending in 3 using your mind or mentally. Another example, let's have 33 squared. So in here, your last digit will be 9. Then your first digit here is 3. So you're going to have your 3 times first digit 3 plus 0. So 3 times 30 plus first digit times 6. So 3 times 3 is 90. Then 3 times 6 is 18. So added to 90 plus 18 is 108. So that will be the number that you're going to put in here. So 33 squared is 1089. Let's have 83 squared. So last digit is 9 here. Then first digit is 8. So you're going to have 8 times 80. Then plus 8 times 6. 8 times 80 is 640 plus 8 times 6 is 48. So add that 2. That will be 688. So you're going to have 83 squared as 6,889. Okay, let's have 53 squared. So you're going to put here 9. Then first digit is 5, so you're going to have 5 times first digit 5 plus 0. So 5 times 50 plus 5 times 6. So 5 times 50 is 250. 5 times 6 is 30. So 250 plus 30 is 280 here. So 53 squared is 2,809. Then last one. Let's have 63 squared. So this is 9 here. Then 6. So 6 times 60. Then plus 6 times 6. So 6 times 60 is 360. 6 times 6 is 36. So 360 plus 36, that will be 396. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.